Recently, AirDoctor introduced an all-new model called the AD4000, and here it is. And today, excited to introduce it to you. So if you are thinking about getting an air purifier and want something a little bit more fashionable, then maybe the AirDoctor 4000 may be the one for you. It also comes in a whitish color. Their other lineup, which is great, they all come in white, but again, this is round, this is black, and that is another option as well. And I know AirDoctor also takes their testing very serious. So when looking at an air purifier, you could see the data that they have, and that's why they're an award-winning company. And if you are interested in ordering and want to save as well, my referral site, which I'll put in the description as well as in the comment section, is better than even corporate website. So you could check that out. Now, once you take it out of the box, by the way, you'll see you'll have a user manual and you also have a quick start guide. Everything is laid out really well, easy to read. You don't have to squint. So you've got those two there. Then you have this sticker, which you're going to need to take off. And it does mention on the sticker here, for maximum effectiveness, run 24/7 in auto mode, and taking the cover off to get to the filter because that is wrapped in plastic. The unit will also be in plastic as well. Now, one of the nice things about this unit is that it has wheels. So they thought about moving it and making it easier because there are no handles, but why have to lift it up? Although it's a little heavy, not too heavy, but this just makes it nice and easy to move. Got a nice long cord, we'll plug that in. On the front, on the bottom, you've got the AirDoctor logo, but it's small, so it's not gonna pop as much as some of their other models that they have. You also get the, which I'll turn on here, the sensor readout. And then on top is where all your controls are. So you've got your on and off, you've got your dim, it also replacing the filter, the speed, the timer, the ionizer, and so you got everything up there. One of the things which I really like about AirDoctor is that even when I get out of the shower in my bedroom, the sensor picks up the air and the quality and it adjusts for a few minutes to refilter the air, and that's what it does. All right, so again, they really have a great lineup that works very well. Now, the way you're going to change the filter and what you're going to do for the first time is you're going to remove this back cover. Now, one of the things that I didn't see, which I realize now, there is an orange lever here, and you've got lock and unlock. So you're going to need to make sure to slide it to the unlock, so then you could remove the filter, and then it will come out. Otherwise, you'll find, which I realized at first, I was like, why isn't it coming out? Because I didn't see that lever. So there is an orange lever that you can easily just slide side to side and you'll be good to go. And you can see this is the filter. Now, this filter has 3 parts to it. It's got the Ultra HEPA, it has the premium carbon and VOC, just like their other filters. But what's nice about this is you don't need 2 different ones. This is all in one, so which is great. And then you go ahead, pull that out, and there you go. Really nice big filter. And then you go ahead, make sure again, just that's to the unlock. And there is a little lever for pulling on the top and bottom. And you'll also find on the website, you'll be able to save money on air filters as well. And you make sure you get the genuine ones by AirDoctor. You're good to go. Now you could slide this to lock, and then you just push that back in. Okay, so I got the back cover on. Just had to line up the grooves. Now I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. And it looks like it's got a decent cord as far as the length. Now, go ahead and plug it in. And so it's gonna light up when you first plug it in. I'm gonna press that middle button for on, and now it's on auto. Now you can see here, the red light is giving the sensor, because it does come on red with any of their machines. So as far as the red is for poor air quality, the orange is moderate air quality, so it looks yellow but it's orange, and the blue is good. Let's talk about the controls for the 4000. So everything is easy to touch. So So you're not going to press that hard, but press that middle button. When you turn it on, it's going to be going through the cycle, starting with the red to the orange to blue, and you'll hear the fan louder, and it will slowly make its way to level 1 as it goes through the cycles. I find this machine, the little bit that I'm here getting to use it, it's not overly loud. On the lowest setting, you can hear it a little bit, kind of similar to the 3500, but if you're sensitive to sound, you might hear it a little bit. The 5500 is whisper quiet. This, you hear it a little bit, but if you press over here, you can have it go to a higher setting if you need to. And you can hear that gets pretty loud. You press the auto button again, it brings it back down to level 1. You got your timer. It is a 24-hour timer. You just press your finger on that. You can keep pressing if you want, or hold down, and that will make it all the way to the hour setting you want. You got 24, and then off. You got your ionizer, so you could turn that on or off. You got your dim, that turns off all the lights, including the front, and this light will go off as well. And then you got your filter replacement light. As far as circulating air, it does circulate 694 square feet, 4 times an hour of continuous clean air. It has a 360 air intake system, which is going to draw air in any direction. And then you've got a nice big open area for blowing air into the room. And then again, it has the Ultra HEPA, also the carbon and VOC, all combined into one. And it's going to capture 99.99% of airborne particles down to 0.003 microns, which is 100 times smaller than the HEPA standard. So there you go. Nice machine. I really like it. It's going to look great in my bedroom. So if you're interested to check it out, then I'll be sure to share my referral link in the description as well as in the comment section, so you could save money. And if you need replacement filters, you can get those there as well. Appreciate it. Have a great day and stay healthy.